Okay, I got this one scraped down a little better, wire brushed it off, and one thing I forgot to do last night was with this stuff, I think it's important that you don't contaminate the liquid in your main bottle. You don't want to pick up any rust residue on your brush and get it back in the main container, so you want to pour a little bit out into a separate container and use that to brush on. Let's see, so we got that one, then I got this little spot right there, and then I also found another one over here. It wasn't bubbled up as much, but it was over a larger area. So we're right there. This one I just went back a little bit farther, kind of tapered back the part I scraped there. This one was easier to get to, so I did a pretty good job the first time. So then just get the other side here. Yeah, so I also scraped this middle section running along there because it was kind of bubbled out. Yeah, and then you really have to remember all the sections here. So there's that one. Now I've lost. Oh, here it is. Yeah, this section here. Yeah, you have to remember how many areas you're working on. So yeah, put a pretty good thick coat on there, and then let's see, we got this one up here. Let's see, is that? Yeah, that's a spot right there. I need to get some on the top side. So yeah, now I've just got a little bit left in the cap here, so I'll rinse that out. I'll go over all the spots, make sure I got everything covered, and then we'll let this dry. So I went over this in some better light, waited till the sun came out, and I found a couple more spots with a little bit of rust under there. So this whole tine, it wasn't like a big puff right in the middle, it was the whole thing. So I missed that until I could get some good light on there. There was just a tiny little pinhole, and then as you start scraping it, it's like almost the whole tine it comes off. But yeah, I'll get that one there. And you really have to look at it from all the different angles and get the light and shadows so you can see where it's puffed up. I'll just get this out in a little more direct sunlight and touch up. There's a few spots that I found, just little dots that I need to touch up. Like right there is one. You can see right there I scraped up a little bit. It was just a little bubble. So that's one I need to touch up there. Just a little dab. Yeah, so I think we're pretty good. Yeah, I'll just move this out in the sunlight while I have a little cap full of rust converter. I'll check over all the surfaces again, and I remember there were a few little spots I wanted to touch up. It's hard to see when you're trying to work around the camera. So yeah, we'll do that, and then hopefully the vinyl coating repair material will show up. Hopefully today or tomorrow. I forget what the delivery estimate on that was. But yeah, we'll get that all touched up, and I'll bring you back when we're ready to put that on.